Grabe na yan, te. Sobra na yan sa kanila, te. Hi, Onit! Hi, Onit! Hi, King! Oh my God, you're here! I thought you were resting already. Hi, STU! I love your avatar. I love your profile. Nasira yung phone ko, guys. So, papaayos ko siya bukas. Oh, I see. Do you have work tomorrow? Do you have work tomorrow, King? That's a cute emoji. That's the Bigo emoji. Hi, Nico. Yeah, I'm so tired too from our trip. It's a long trip, like 3 hours of trip. But I need to do live. Because, yes, my OPK guys is tomorrow. See you there. I'm gonna change this. It gotta be 10 p.m. guys. Hi, Mustafa Kasem. Hello. Hi, Sandro. Bala na majugjug bukas, guys. But thankfully, Kuya Rayon find me an opponent that not really difficult. Yeah. Kasi ngayon wala na talaga, guys. Shout out kay RJ. My trip is very long when I got home. It's so long. Like, it took us 3 hours. So tiring. But I need to do live, guys. Yes. Hi, Zilby. Hello, guys. Hi, Zilby. Hi, Kusing. Hello po. How was your work, King? And where's Mr. Cheng? Yeah, it's so tiring. As usual day. Maybe Mr. Cheng is tired too. That's why he didn't make it. He can't make it today. Yeah, I hope he's like, you know, resting like you. Hi, Jaylee. 1 hour live lang ako, guys, kasi bukas is my PK. Yeah, I will do only 1 hour live. Because it's my OPK tomorrow. Just to announce it here. Oh, nakakainis. Sira cellphone ko. Hi, Mikami. Local. Alam mo ba, sa bag ko lang nakalagay to, guys. Like, girl, what are you doing here? Ganon. Ganon nangyari sa kanya, sis. Taba-taba ako, no. I'm so fat now. Like, we eat a lot of crabs there because that province has a lot of crabs. It's known for seafoods. We ate a lot of crabs there, King. So sad that you haven't tried one. Yeah, I'm chubby because, you know, I ate a lot of crabs. Hi, Zachary. I ate a lot of crabs. You know that? I forgot to tell you because the excitement of the seafood, you know, I only eat seafood once. Yay! Biset talaga, best. Thank you! Thank you for saying I'm great, guys. Hi, Raimundo Rocha. Good luck tomorrow, guys. Hi, Kilwaw. I'm just a little nervous. Nervous and nervous again. Tapos nasira pa yung cellphone ko, guys. Kainis. Bukas nga ipaayos ko siya. Hi, Monkey! Hello, Zachary! Halapit naman yung highlighter ko. Pag mo sabi, hindi mo nadala, te. Alam nyo ba, grabing taranta ko kanina. Kaya siguro naipit yung ano ko, te. Ito, cellphone ko. Nasiraan na talaga siya tuluyan. Like, yeah. It's totally messed up. My phone is totally messed up. My other phone. My backup phone. So, that's why she look awful. Oh, I asked Yuyu if she's gonna do live today. She told me she will. I'll just chat her. But I'm waiting for her to do live. My live it'll be quick king. She told me too that her research just done today. Yeah, thankfully that her research is already finished. Successful research. Congrats to Yuyu. Congrats to Princess Yuyu, guys. Hi, Somkyat! Yeah, she told me. You can chat her so we can do PK a little while. I'll chat her too. Wait. So you can see us both. You've never seen us both, right? Long time. I can chat her, wait. She woke up. She just woke up. Wait, I'll just chat her. Yeah, I already chat Yuyu. Hi guys! So, ito yung gagawin ko sa aking face lock. Hala, para man siyang pangkilay, te. Sabi daw kasi pag gagawa daw kayo ng ganito. Ng eyebag, enemerot. Ganyan. Kailangan ano. Hi siya! Hi Ryan siya. Hala, perfect pala siya mga bakla. Perfect siya, te. Perfect siya, legit. Hi, Erep. Hala, te, perfect siya bakla. Wait lang. Ano tingin na to? Nakita niyo ba? The difference is giving. Hi, Joshua! The difference is giving mga bakla.